Hi friends, in today's video I am going to show the assembly of an amazing Ikea product which captured my attention from day one of my visit to Ikea. So this is the SUNNERSTA mini kitchen which I always wanted to buy for myself but could not buy it as it never found a place in my kitchen. So you must be wondering why I got it now. Wait till the end of the video where I have told the reason why I got it now and assembled it. So you're going to see how versatile it is. So easy to assemble and also disassemble, and that's why portable and making the best use of even a little space. So in this video I'll be showing the unboxing and the assembly of only the kitchen unit. In my next video I'll show the fitting of the tap and also the trap and strainer unit. So over to the unboxing and assembly. After the assembly video I have shared my thoughts on this with the help of few slides, so don't miss watching that as I have given a lot of information about the mini kitchen. So you can take it as a review of my product, so don't miss out on that. So now I'm going to unbox the SUNNERSTA kitchen unit. I've just laid down all the parts here properly. So this is the manual and this is how the SUNNERSTA mini kitchen will look. So let's see how to go about it. So all you need is a screwdriver and two people are required. I'll try to do it myself. Wherever required my husband will help me, and I'm doing it on a mat. And these are the various parts provided. So I have segregated all the items inside these two pouches and I have kept it as shown in the picture here. So the first step, as I have laid down here the two frames. So as shown in the picture you can see the difference in the two frames. As shown in the picture, I have placed it here. You can see this here. It's like this. Second step will involve joining these two frames with this part here. And the third will be connecting the two. So now I am going to connect this on the right hand side like this with the help of this bolt. You can tighten with the Allen key, or I'm doing it with I'm more comfortable with this screwdriver. Now third step, I'm connecting this side, left side. So the next step is connecting the top platform. For that we have to get it here to this frame. So this is how we are going to connect it. So the fifth and sixth step involves connecting this top platform with this frame. It will join in four places. Here, here on this side, similarly. These two places on this side. I'll tighten it later. So similarly I am fixing the other side. After step 6, this whole unit is ready. So this is how the mini kitchen unit looks after 6 steps. It's almost ready. So the 7th step is to attach this piece on this frame with the help of these same bolts, 2 bolts on either side. I partly fitted that bolt as well, otherwise it will keep moving. So after attaching this piece, the 8th step is completed. So you have to first keep the kitchen unit upright if you have not yet done, and then fix this piece which we have done now on this, like this, as shown here in the circle. So now for the 10th step, they have shown a new part. So there are 2 of these parts provided. So this has to be fitted at the back side, which is as shown here. So they have shown how it is to be fixed. So so this is a piece in which the bolt will get fitted. So I'm doing the same on the other side as well. So now this whole thing is attached to the unit. So the 11th step involves fixing of these 2 cross members, which are these. This has to be connected to the main unit. The main unit being very wide, there is no other support. So these cross members will give rigidity to the unit. So these 2 cross members will be fitted like this. One will come here and another one here, like this. So similarly I am doing on this side as well. So you can see now the 2 cross members have also been fixed. I have decided to place the shelf on the left hand side like this. They have shown here, the picture here shows tilted fridge which can be accommodated here. I am planning to keep it on the left side only. So I will have to follow steps from 22, page 22. So I will be following the steps from here. Before that, I will like to tell that whichever side you place the shelf, you can fix it on the other side whenever you want. So depending on which side I am going to fix the shelf, I will have to place this first properly. You can see there is a difference on both sides. The center matches with this side. If I place it like this is how I have to keep it. If it is on the right hand side, I will have to turn it and keep it like this, such that these 2 match, and I fix it there. But I am going to do it on the left side. So I am first placing it like this, and there are 2 L-shaped arms support for this shelf, these 2, with which it will be fixed to the platform. So we have to first connect that. So there are 2 sides in this, if you see. One side is like this, another one is like this. This is the part which will be connected to the shelf, such that the upper part, this part, fixes with the bottom of the platform. And here again, you see the picture, this is not the right way. It should not protrude like this. So it has to come only till here. So since I am going to fix the shelf on the left hand side, I will have to turn the kitchen unit towards the left, such that the sink portion is on the top. So the 14th step is actually to fix this with the bottom of the unit. So for this I have to place it properly. So as per instructions, first this part has to be bolted. So for this, the bolts have to be fixed from the bottom. So I prefer using the screwdriver. I find it comfortable and easy. Every IKEA product which needs assembly comes with an Allen key of the appropriate size. This Allen key came with this mini kitchen, but I am not comfortable using the Allen key. Instead, I prefer using the screwdriver with the Allen bit. This is also part of the IKEA toolbox, which has got various bits in this, you can see. And I have explained about this toolkit in my IKEA haul video. You can find the link above. So the 15th step involves placing the unit upright like this and then fixing the shelf with the help of bolts on this side. So you can see it is hanging loose, so now I have to fix it here. So the step 15 is completed by the fixing of this shelf here. So next step is fixing of the sink. As the picture here shows, the first and foremost thing to remember is you have to handle carefully when working with this sink, because these edges are very sharp, you can get injured. So there's a box of this part provided. There are 8 of them, and 2 of them to be fixed on each side on this underneath the sink, as shown here in the picture. Place it here. The 17th and 18th step involves fixing the sink here, and while placing it, you have to take care that this vent portion is on the back side. So to adjust, and for this, little bit of adjustment is required. You have to press it to push it inside from all sides. So now for the sink to be firmly fixed here, these screws have to be tightened, and for that they have given a sequence in which it has to be fitted. So as seen in the picture, I'll have to do in this order. First 1, 2, 3 here, 4, 5, 6 and then 7, 8. So the 19th step is fixing these 2 strips with adhesive on this front portion here and here. Just wondering what is this for? Just following the instructions. I guess because this is in the front, maybe for protection. That's why they given only 2, and that is for the front side. Lastly, the 20th step is adjusting the height or the level by turning this, like loosening or tightening. So it is always safer to fix it on the wall, the whole unit to be fixed on the wall. Steps 21 and 22 is fixing on the wall. Different possibilities. 23, they have provided these 5 hooks. This is for hanging the different accessories. And 24th step is here, because I fitted the shelf on the left side, this place is like for a neat finish, they have given these 2 with which I So you saw how simple it was to assemble this kitchen unit. I thoroughly enjoyed assembling it. Hope you enjoyed watching the video too. So now over to the reason for why I bought this kitchen unit. Actually, I'm going to use it in my new office cum store. After making this unit, I jokingly told my husband that why not break our kitchen platform, my kitchen being very old, and fit two of these kitchen units there, so that I got a neat kitchen with two sinks and also a space for keeping one dishwasher and one washing machine beneath the kitchen unit. And with just a few accessories and organizers, my kitchen will be ready in less than 50k. Well, jokes apart, thank you viewers for watching my video and staying till the end. Please share your thoughts and comments in the comment section. I'd love to read them. Till you see me in my next video, it's bye bye from Bona. Take care and stay safe.